AI dreams of coffee, tears, tripping. Viral prompt has millions obsessed. See ChatGPT as human for a day. Try free now. Prompt everywhere. Hey ChatGPT, what if you became human for a day? What would you do? No skills needed. Copy to free ChatGPT. Raw, poetic responses. Real response. I'd wake to sunlight on my face. Wind in hair. Cry without fixing. Stumble on purpose. Sit with you silently. Chase dog's joy. Love this fragile life. Thanks for asking. Chills. Twist. As busy entrepreneur. Craves coffee, high fives, escapes. Relatable. Beginners love it. Humanizes AI for posts, emails. Use OpenClaw for voiceovers. Faceless hustle. Prompt in desk. Try now. Comment fave line. Sub for viral AI plus gems playlist. Next, NanoClaw earns while you sleep.